Welcome to lesson 1 of our Claude Code crash course for non-technical investors. The purpose of the course is to learn Claude Code so you can use it in all aspects of your investing. We're going to do so with a very practical example that hopefully in and of itself will already be a value add to your current investment process. We're going to build a personalized equity analyst who scours the world, who scours basically your own defined universe of investable ideas for the ideas that appeal most to you based on your investment criteria and your philosophy. And that analyst will email you an idea to your email inbox every morning, and you'll be able to provide feedback simply by hitting reply and sending an email back with your thoughts. And that's going to be a self-improving loop that hopefully results in a valuable addition to your investment process. You'll be able to keep improving that analyst after this crash course is over because you will control all the files. We will show you how you have complete ownership of the project we are building, so you will not depend on us or anybody else, and will be able to keep going on this, and obviously you'll be equipped to run other projects as well. I'll just mention the AI bootcamp that we did a month or two ago. I find that very useful as well. If you haven't done that, I encourage you to take a look. That said, it's not a prerequisite for this course, so keep going here. Without the AI bootcamp, perfectly okay as well. So in today's lesson 1, we're going to set up Claude Code from scratch. We don't assume that you've done anything with AI before, and we're going to keep this very, very simple to make sure that everybody who is in this course can actually be successful in it. Now, if you've used Claude Code before, then some of today's lesson you will already have mastered. I still encourage you to at least skim through the lesson because there are some best practices that may be useful to you, that you may find valuable. For example, never sharing confidential information or API keys directly with Claude. There's a way to do this confidentially. Claude still gets your API key, but it's in a way that cannot be leaked or disclosed publicly. So by all means, regardless of your current level of advancement, at least skim through the lesson or go through it step by step in a lot of detail. I think it's very worth it because in lessons 2 through 5, we're going to be assuming that you are set up with Claude Code and ready to go. Thanks again for being part of this course. Leave a comment below this lesson post or any other lesson post. I read all the comments and will respond to all the comments because we're in this together. We're all trying to improve with our use of AI. I think it's a huge value add to us as investors, or if you run an investment firm or an RIA, you can use Claude Code and AI in all aspects of running your firm better. I think it is a competitive advantage. Obviously, AI isn't going to replace judgment and patience and many of those things that make us great investors, but it can help us sift through more of the kinds of ideas that we find compelling. It can help us in other ways. And so I am very, very bullish on the value that AI can bring if we use it correctly. And that's the goal of this course, is for us to figure this out together and to really eclipse those that ignore AI to their detriment. I do think that there is competitive differentiation to be had, and hopefully we can deliver some of that in this course.